Welcome to the second day of Vagabond Vacations Kyiv. JC is doing his famous group shots. And where else can you find that than with Mr. JC at Vagabond Vacations?
Vagabond Vacations, baby. So today we got 10 girls, but 2 are still on the way, but we already have plenty to have a nice shot. A kitchen shot, lifestyle vibes, you know I like that. So that's what's gonna happen right now. Screw it. So yeah, obviously we had to use the windows to put all the girls against. That's always a cool shot. And now it's popa time, like we would say in Ukraine, which is butt time. So let's grab some pics.
What's up, Vagabonds? Come explore the world with us. As you maybe know, we organize photo and video workshops. They're called Vagabond Vacations. Check them out on our website, vagabondvacations.com. All the new locations are there. We just released them. Super excited about it. Check it out because we only have 10 spots per event. We want to keep it personal and a unique experience for you. So vagabondvacations.com. Hope to see you there.
While Mr. Dan Hatcho is giving his little workshop downstairs, we're gonna shoot a little bit more with some other girls to entertain them, and because one photographer already had a course with them, so we gotta do something else creative.
Luckily the studio is big enough because we have so many models here, so many photographers doing their thing that yeah, it's kind of cool that everybody has their own space to keep shooting, while Dan was giving this very nice explanation about yeah, how he poses models. That's I guess one of his strong suits, just the posing. Every time he does it, I learn something myself. The other guys could still keep shooting here. But to join you first have to be in the middle and get slapped.
Have to get slapped?
Oh, JC is chilling in the hammock while we have the girls partying. Oh, a little POV shot with the feet, or...
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at each other. Top. And your face also. Can you both do the tongue thing? And very on the side. Your face more.
Normally I would expect these comments from the photographers, but it's the models. Yes. Today I thought let's do something different. That's why I have my beautiful GoPro bra. I will take you guys POV style, so you can just feel what it's like to be at one of the Vagabond Vacations. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk around with my camera and snap some behind the scenes photos of everybody. And yeah, while I do that, you can see what goes on here, how cool it is. We got an amazing studio, amazing models, amazing photographers. Let's go to the GoPro. Oh, the guys just shot some cool photos. So let's snap a photo of them looking at it. That's always nice to, with the model, just yeah, check the photos together, see what you can improve. Yes, yeah, everything's great. Yeah, perfect.
Not for you too.
It's always cool to have some foreground elements, like for example now this plant here and this couch really gives this behind the scenes feeling. Ooh, we got the big boy lens, baby. I'll quickly go check here what they have going on here. Oh, we got a little food shoot. So, yes, I don't know if it's real food. Otherwise you guys will have to... Yeah, it would be better. Oh, I think I'm gonna be in this shot here. So, I'm gonna go upstairs. See what goes on over there. Hello guys. Oh, we got Brandon, baby Brandon in the house. And Natasha. Well, sometimes the girls are the best photographers themselves. Just give them a phone and we'll edit them. Yeah, Mike, we're gonna be not needed anymore, man. Just a phone and a friend and...
You know, sometimes you should wait a long, long time for this from the photographer. So
that's why you gotta do it yourself, yeah? Oh, we lost Irina. She's...
I'm here.
Yes. Oh, multiple shoots going on at the same time here. So much needed coffee for Felix.
Oh yeah.
Mike just became a phone photographer himself. Brandon is doing some interior design here. Yeah. Interior design. Yeah, sometimes it's cool, this kind of like silhouette. Yeah. Or blown out vibe from the highlights. Ooh, we got Ronaldo from Brazil and Alessia from Ukraine shooting. Oh, we got Mr. Jc in the house.
Yes, trying to quickly upload something to the gram, a video I shot.
It's hilarious. One of the models just said like why they take photos themselves is because they have to wait a long time for the photographers, so they just gotta do it themselves. JC's trying to be proactive.
Speed is very crucial in photography landscape.
Yes, it's true.
Closer, closer, closer. A little closer, closer from the last one. I try to play you, baby. It's more than that. I'm looking for a good vibration. Trying to celebrate, but ain't no celebrations here. Trying to get paid, yeah.
Oh, I just had my first arm workout of the day. Because, well, honestly, these gimbals are not so heavy anymore nowadays. But still, with the stairs and everything, kind of out of breath. And we're gonna do it a second time. Now with all our lovely photographers. Say cheese, babies! It's the after shoot dance. And now Dan is gonna go to the hotel with us, not for an after party, but actually for an editing workshop. So that's pretty awesome, because he has a very unique style of editing. He makes the photos look like paintings. So that's gonna be cool to see some different style of editing for the photographers that joined our vacation this time.